Yo, what's up? How's my head here? Hold on. You know that my friend or Logan or others that is offered us sears. Well, in 2017, April 11th or 9th or something like that is when he's gonna be starting his channel. Anyways, I just wanna hope you give him at least a few subscribers and please watch his channel. I'm not. If you want to hear a story, here's a creepy story that actually happened to me. Okay, so I was walking down the street. I looked at this house, and there was just a man or a shadow person standing in the window. And you have to kneel, even for my age and height. Kneel. Like, I'm 10, and I had to kneel just to look at the window. I was like 8 or 7 at the time when we went there. So yeah, I'm shorter, and I had to kneel. I know this looks so creepy. But anyways, like, just like for the fact, like, if you do watch Upload Sears, well, if you do watch his videos, please at least give him 1 subscriber. At least 1. Or, like, for me, I want to be able to give him, like, 1 subscriber. So, please. Yeah. Also, we went in the basement and it was filled with all sorts of junk. And we heard footsteps even knowing we were the only ones there. There's only 4 of you. You're all in the same room. You hear footsteps coming from You hear footsteps coming from upstairs. But even though we're all downstairs in the same room, yeah. So please like this video. Leave a comment below if you think I sound weird or anything. Just leave a comment below, or at least. My goal is for at least like a few like at least 3,000 subscribers after this year. Right now it's March, so I got around 9 months just to get 3,000 subscribers. I got like 8 months because it's March 20th. Yeah, but please, like this video, leave a comment below. Please, I'll be making like stories of me in the woods and stuff like that. Oh yeah. Yeah, so see you next time.